Today, we will do crossover cable. The purpose of a crossover Ethernet cable is to directly connect one computer to another computer or device without going through a router, switch or hub. First, prepare the following material: wire stripper, side cutter, RJ45 crimping tool, RJ45 modular data plug, Cat6 network cable, ruler, RJ45 boots. Now prepare our cable, pull the necessary amount of wire for the connection you need to make. Next, strip the cable. Measure out 1.5 inches from one end of the wire and place the wire in the wire strippers at that location. Separate the twisted pairs into an X pattern. When you look down the cable from the end, you should not see any of the twisted pairs crossing over each other. Untwist the wires of the twisted pairs. When the wires are separated, they should not cross over each other. Straighten the wires. The wires do not have to be even, just straighten them as best you can. Assemble the wires into a fan shape and organize for the data plug. Use the T568B configuration. Straighten the wires. Just straighten them as best you can. Using the wire cutters, trim the tips of the wires so all of the wires are even. Make sure the cut is perpendicular to the wires. Firmly grasp all the wires near the sheathing and slide your fingers up, collecting all the wires into a flat line. Make sure none of the wires jump positions. Crimping the wires. Insert the prepared plug in the crimping tool and squeeze the handle. Install the RJ45 rubber boot, and that's it. For crossover cables, simply make one end of the cable a T568B and the other end a T568A. In the previous termination, we are using the T568B configuration. Now, we need to repeat the same process again. Starting from wire stripping until RJ45 crimping. The only difference is the cable sequence. To complete the connection, we will do the T568A configuration to have crossover cable. Note: the maximum cable length of Cat5, Cat5e or Cat6 Ethernet cable is 328 feet or 100 meters. Finally, we now have an Ethernet crossover cable. Thank you. Please share, like, comment and subscribe for more tutorial videos.